Imagine a world where the secrets of extreme longevity are unlocked, and the key might be found in the most unlikely of places, the bowhead whale. These majestic creatures, with lifespans exceeding 200 years, are the longest living mammals on Earth. But how do they defy the aging process so effectively? Scientists are now diving deep into this mystery, and the implications could revolutionize how we understand and combat aging in humans. But here's where it gets controversial. For years, researchers have been trying to understand the bowhead whale's remarkable ability to live so long. Now, they are uncovering fascinating clues. According to Professor Vera Gorbunova, a biologist at the University of Rochester, the bowhead whale's secret might lie in its exceptional ability to repair DNA damage. Why is DNA repair so crucial? Think of your DNA as a complex instruction manual for your body. Over time, this manual gets damaged. Cells try to fix these errors, but the repairs aren't always perfect. These accumulated mutations can increase the risk of diseases like cancer and accelerate aging by impairing how well cells and tissues function. Gorbunova and her team discovered that bowhead whales excel at repairing a specific type of DNA damage where both strands of the DNA double helix are severed. This efficient repair mechanism results in fewer mutations. They found that a protein called CIRBP, triggered by cold exposure, enhances DNA repair in whale cells. Bowhead whales, which live in the frigid Arctic waters, produce 100 times more CIRBP than humans. The researchers' findings, published in Nature, suggest that this efficient DNA repair strategy may contribute to the bowhead whale's long lifespan and low cancer incidence. Could this be the key to slowing down aging in humans? The team tested this by increasing CIRBP levels in human cells. The results were promising. Boosting CIRBP doubled the proportion of DNA breaks that cells repaired. Further experiments on flies showed that extra CIRBP increased their lifespan and made them more resilient to mutation-causing radiation. The very first conclusion we can make is there is room for improvement in humans, Gorbunova said. People used to think we can't improve DNA repair, that it's already optimal, but the whale does it better than we do. What's next? The researchers are now raising mice with boosted CIRBP to see how long they live. They also plan to investigate whether cold water swimmers or those who take cold showers have elevated CIRBP levels and how persistent any boost might be. We need to see if brief cold exposure is enough, but we'll be looking at pharmacological ways to achieve this too, Gorbunova said. Not everyone wants to do cold swims. But here's a thought-provoking question. Could something as simple as cold exposure hold the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life for humans? Professor Gabriel Balmas from the UK Dementia Research Institute at the University of Cambridge offers a word of caution. Enhancing our cells' ability to repair DNA could, in principle, slow the aging and associated disease processes, a notion supported by evidence from other species where stronger repair correlates with longer lifespan. Yet translating this into humans will be far from straightforward, demanding a balance between resilience and the body's natural limits on renewal. What are your thoughts? Do you think we are on the verge of a breakthrough in anti-aging research? Share your opinions in the comments below.